Alright kids, Ham and Cheese back here again with you today. And up on the bench today, I have a product here for you that I have never seen before until today. And there's a really good chance you've never seen this either. And what this is this blue stuff you see in front of you. And this is what is a material that's called Dycem. D-Y-C-E-M, Dycem. And what Dycem is it is a very sticky, non-slip material that is used to coat surfaces. You can put this down for various things. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. Its intended design was for people who have mobility issues, dexterity problems, balance problems, that sort of thing. It helps them get through their everyday lives. One of the uses that it's touted for is you can put a mat of this down at the edge of a bed, and when you go to get out in the morning, you step on it and it doesn't go anywhere. You can see we're really putting effort into this and we're not sliding. Whereas I put on here and I just slide away. Okay. Something else that they use it for is they put this on the kitchen table. You put your dish on this, like your cereal bowl or your plate or something like that. If you're one of these people that has an issue with Parkinson's, or you have erratic movements that keep you from enjoying meals with your family, this will help you do that. You can put cups on this or something. Take something like this, for instance. You put that on there, it's not going anywhere. Whereas on a normal smooth surface, it's going to slide everywhere all day long. You can see it sticks to itself. Very, very highly sticky material. Okay? Just to show how sticky it is. There you go. Just like that. Okay? What came to mind when I first saw this product was we could use this in the shop, we can use it at the bench, we can use this in the radio world, and way beyond. Like I said, just in the bench itself, you want to put your flux on it, it's not going to go anywhere. Whereas on here, it's going to slide around on you. Okay? Something else you can do, you can lay your pens and pencils on this. Drop it on there, it's not going anywhere. See? Just like that. You can also use it for dropping objects, like if you have rolls of silver bearing solder or something like that. You know how they come in these little tin rolls. You just drop it on there and it's not going anywhere. Okay? So that's one of the many uses. You can use this to line drawers. You could put small things like your precision drivers in there, and when you reach in, they're not going to get away from you. You just reach in, grab it, and go. Getting into the radio side of things, this would be great for putting on a picnic table or a bench somewhere where you want to run QRP. Put your QRP rig on it, and you can sit there and you can work all day. It's not going to slide around on you. You have something like maybe one of those little paddlers or something like that. You want to work some CW, you put that down and it's going to stay put all day. That's the kind of stuff you can do with this. You can use it at the campsite. Line your table with it. When you get your little table out, put your soda pop or your beer on it and it's going to stay put. You can see it's not going to get away from you, whereas something like that, it might. Okay? Those are just some of the many uses. You get this stuff on rolls, or you can buy individual pads of it. You buy it in a roll like this type of material. This is a 16-inch in width. You can see right here on the roller, it's 16 inches. A roll of this stuff, I think it's 3.5 or 4 feet long, is about $30. But if you cut a piece where you just need a little corner like that, you're going to get it, and it's going to last you a really, really long time. This stuff can be reused over and over and over again. It has a 3 to 5 year life, is what it's billed as. But the person who turned me on to this told me that you can get somewhere up around 10-15 years if you take care of it and wash it regularly. And to wash it, all you do is wash it with some soap and water, hang it up to dry, and it's good as new, ready to go again. They use this in large form in clean rooms and stuff like that to attract dust and dirt, and it traps everything. And then they just take it out, rinse it down, wash it down, and they're ready to go again. All right? So there it is, Dycem. Link will be in the description for this where you can get it on Amazon. And remember, that's an affiliate link. You're helping out the channel when you get this. I've already thought of 20 uses for it. You'll probably think of 20 more when you get it. And like I said, a little roll of it will last you forever. So before I go, Lindsay, if you see this, thanks for turning us on to this stuff. This is going to be a game changer for us in our world. and we really appreciate you telling us about this. And with that, I will say 7-3. As always, keep it cheap and easy just like me, and we will see you soon. Thanks for watching.